far left, we can see the exciting Rock and Roll Hall of Fame Museum designed by the world-renowned architect I.M. Pei, and the Educational Great Lakes Museum of Science and Technology with the domed Omnimax Theater. In front is the lake carrier William G. Mather, built in 1925. This 618-foot ship worked on the Great Lakes for 55 years and is now permanently moored at the Floating Maritime Museum. Also in front is the Cleveland Browns Stadium, seating 72,000 fans. This facility was built at a cost of over $300 million and ensures Clevelanders the continuing legacy of the Cleveland Browns football team.
I said, what if you drop something?
Why would I drop?
I said,
Yeah. First aid.